Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh cream at home. Making your own fresh cream is surprisingly simple and requires just one key ingredient: heavy cream. Look for cream with a milk fat content of at least 36% for optimal whipping. Before you begin, make sure your cream, bowl, and whisk attachments are thoroughly chilled. This cold environment is crucial for achieving that perfect, fluffy texture. You'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together with the right preparation. Once your cream and equipment are chilled, pour the heavy cream into your cold mixing bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed to prevent splattering, then gradually increase the speed to medium-high. As the cream whips, you'll notice it starting to thicken. Keep a close eye on its consistency. You're aiming for soft peaks, which means the cream holds its shape, but the peaks gently flop over when the whisk is lifted. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. If you desire a firmer cream, continue whipping until stiff peaks form. These peaks will stand straight up when you lift the whisk. It's important to be vigilant during this stage, as overwhipping can quickly turn your beautiful cream into butter. For a touch of sweetness and aroma, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently fold these in until just combined, ensuring the cream remains light and airy. Your freshly made cream is now ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. This versatile cream is perfect for topping your favorite desserts, adding a luxurious touch to coffee, or simply enhancing fresh berries. It's a delightful addition to so many treats. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the links in the description below. You might find something truly valuable there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.